Begin by getting into a nice, comfortable seat where you can shift your weight side to side, forward and back. Start with a deep breath in, all the way hold it. Hold just for a moment. Feel the strength of the holding of the inhale, exhale, relax, let it go. Roll the shoulders, shift your weight, and we're going to focus on filling up through the lips, very slow as you inhale, big. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going through the lips. Expanding slow. Finish off the breath at the very top, pull everything in, and then let it go, relax. This next inhale, we're going to give it 30 seconds. So see if you can slow it down even more, super slow for 30 seconds. Exhale, blow everything out, and begin slow through the lips. In slow, almost undetectable, bringing the breath through the heart, bringing the flow through the heart into the root, and then slowly, once the root starts to fill, it lifts up. So the direction and the flow is through the heart. You got 5 more seconds. Now bring it tall, tall, tall. Hold the harness for a moment, let it go. A couple breaths, stretching your neck, moving your body, shifting your hips. And then one more time, 30 seconds. Exhale, blow everything out, blow, blow, blow. And begin. Keep it going, filling up slow, filling up in every crevice, low through the heart, into the root, through the center, and creating this rhythm and flow and expansion in all directions of the ribs, all directions of the lungs, and eventually at the top, 3, 2, all the way in, and let it go. Catch your breath and slow down the breath. Now start to get into a rolling rhythm. Where you fill up low, rock back, and as you inhale, you lift, hold for a moment. Exhale, relax, let it go. Finding that rhythm and that rolling. Let it go. For 2 minutes, continue with that sequence for 2 minutes. Continue with that rhythm. finish your breath. Hold at the top. Find some strength in the core, strong heart, strong center line of energy. Exhale, relax, let it go. Blow out the bottom. Blow out everything. A little bit more blow. Good. One more full pulling breath from the bottom. With rhythm to the top, hold it. Another pull. Hold for a moment. And then exhale, relax, let it go. Shift into a calm breath. Shift into a rhythmical, gentle breath. And with the tiniest bit of rolling flow, keep this slower and deeper than normal breath going as you incorporate the directionality, the center into the root, the rocking back, filling up and channeling the flow and sequence of breath. For one more minute to complete your practice.